Bree, come on. Time to eat. Brianna, come on. Wake up. Bree.
That's her snoring.
Brianna, wake up. Come on, look at, there's Lachita. Bree. Brianna, you have to eat. Wake up. Wake up. Come on. Bree. You're 6 days old today.
Happy 6 days.
Come on, wake up.
And today was your official due date.
Oh, yeah. Bree.